Stop looking for any 1,000 naira app. Stop. If you really want to survive in this Nigeria economy in 2026, you really need to stop looking for 1,000 naira app. You need to start thinking of ways you can actually start earning in dollars. And I'm not talking about refer and earn scams. No. In this educational video, I'm going to show you 3 digital skills that you can actually start to start earning in USD. And mind you, you don't even need your laptop. No, I do not use my laptop, so you don't have an excuse. All you need is just your smartphone. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you a bank app that I use to withdraw my money and at the best black market rate. Okay, now let's get to the hustle. Method 1, writing with AI. There are different ways you can actually earn with writing, but surest way that I know that it has never failed me, it is writing fiction story. I know it might sound complicated, but honestly, believe me, AI is going to do all the work for you. So all you need is just to get an idea of what you are about to go into. And I'm not even joking. This is something that a lot of Nigerians are actually doing. So these are examples of platforms that you can actually apply to. Good novel sites, Starry Writing, Novel Snack, Mega Novel. These are sites that you can actually apply your story on and get a contract and get paid. I'm serious. You can earn up to $300 monthly if you are serious about making money, honestly. So let me show you an example and how you can actually register on this platform in case you are new here.
I'm going to be using Good Novel as an example. You go to your Chrome browser, type in Good Novel Writer Benefits or goodnovel.com. Click on the very first link. It's going to take you to this particular page. Then you're going to see that dash icon at the top corner. Click on it. You're going to see Start Writing, Create. Short story, create, writers benefits, contest. Click on create. Then you log in with your Gmail account to create an account. This is exactly how their page looks like. And for you to check their writers benefits, how much you're going to be earning, you go back and check writers benefits. Click on it. So you're going to see how much exactly you're going to be earning and how many word counts do you need to submit on the platform to apply for a contract. Just check more about this.
Method number 2, digital products. I know you've read a lot about digital products, but honestly, let's be brutal with ourselves. Digital products are here to stay, and this is one of the profitable skills you can actually acquire now to start cashing out. This is something you can do as a side also. One thing about it is that you create your course one and sell it a million times. You get my point? It is a passive income. You need to build a business that is going to be running even without you there, even when you sleep. This is what they call passive income. I know you have a skill, you have something that you do. Not everyone knows everything, and some people are willing to pay you for what you know. All you have to do, package what you know and sell. You are a fashion designer, you are a makeup artist, you are a creator, I don't know, whatever it is that you are, just package your knowledge and sell. Let me tell you one secret. Make sure you always look for a problem before you create your course. That is the only thing my Nigerians will buy. Okay, let's be serious here. You can't just say you want to create a random course with AI and you expect them to buy it just like that. No, you can use AI to create your course, but only where you know what you're doing, only where you know the service you want to render, only where you know you are solving a particular problem with that thing that you are creating. So the catch here is that pick a problem and create the solution, period. That is all you need to do. So create it once and sell multiple times. It doesn't take too much time. You can use Google Sheets to create your course. You can use Canva to create your course. And if you want to sell a video just like this, you can use YouTube. You just put it under unlisted, or you make a screen record, or you record it like this and put it on Telegram. Let's calculate it. Assuming you sell a product, even if it's just like 5,000 naira, you are selling your product for 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira times 100, that is 1 million naira. Method number 3, AdSense. There are actually different ways you can earn from AdSense by blogging, but we are focusing on what you are watching currently, YouTube. Don't sleep on this, honestly. Be it whatever you want to sell, like you want to sell your life online. I'm not talking about your life, like your life go. I'm talking about your world, like your daily life routine. You need to start selling something online, like on YouTube. And mind you, AdSense is not the only way you can actually earn from YouTube. You know, right? Let me tell you in case you don't know. You can earn from affiliate marketing. You can sell your digital products on YouTube. You can earn from sponsorship. You can also sell your physical goods on YouTube. Yes, this is something that you can actually do. And if you don't want to be talking to camera just the way I'm doing, you can always create a faceless channel. You don't have to show your face. When I started the YouTube channel, I was not showing my face. Yeah, as time goes on, I developed this confidence in me and I started showing my face. That is it. You don't have to show your face when you start, okay? Just just start. Whatever it is that you are doing, you are a barber. If you are working 9 to 5 job, you can record yourself as TB earning on YouTube. It's not start now and earn in the next 2 months or 3 months. And luckily for you, might actually earn in the next 3 months. It's all about strategy. It's all about you taking it as a business. When I started, I didn't see anyone that would tell me this before. When I started, I did not take it serious. Sometimes I'll post one video in the next 3 months again until I post again. If I knew I need to be seriously consistent, I need to be very, very consistent on YouTube, I should have monetized my YouTube the same year that I actually started. So yes, I am telling you that you can earn in US dollar from your YouTube AdSense, and you can do this with your smartphone. So you don't have an excuse. Pick your phone and choose anyone you're going to be doing and get started. If you are really, really serious about making money online, stop procrastinating and stop being lazy. Stand up and take one serious out of this three, and honestly, you will thank me later.
So the name of the app is geegpay, also known as Freelance. You create an account, go to your Chrome browser, create an account, click on the very first link. You can click on geegpay, Freelance, geegpay. You can click on any of them, then you click on, you take the process of registration, follow it by step until you are done with the registration, and that is how you create an account with geegpay. They will send you a verification that your account has been verified, and you can start making use of the account. And this is the account that you're going to be using to earn money from the writing platform of your choice.
I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video, and do take care of yourself. Bye.